side railing underneath the 8, but the problem is it doesn't go anyway. One ball's in the way of the 8.
Yeah, boy.
Wow.
That's great. That's awesome.
That's a good shot. That was a good shot. You got it. Nice shot, Ryan.
Okay, my turn.
Draw back to the side railing.
I don't like where this is going.
Right down to the bottom rail.
Wow, what a stroke that was.
Nice.
Answers with a break runner.
Another one.
Great shot
Did
for
what
what
he
he
needed to
had.
do. Yeah.
There he goes. Real first. That's a fact.
Practice ka pa, alamin mo lahat ang mga tira.
Another one.
What a shot that
Well,
was.
that works out though.
Now. Victor's
No, not really. Efren can make this off the rail.
off the ball.
The 11.
Yep. Yeah, come off the ball.
Good shot.
Look at this!
Yan na, get lucky.
Magandang umaga mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub reaction and commentary videos. For today's reaction video, another exciting match between Efren Bata Reyes versus dito sa isang local pool player na si Matt Liam. Dito nga ay naimbitahan si Efren Reyes sa kanyang Fairwear Tour at ito yung 8 Ball Plus Challenge. Itong 8 Ball Plus Challenge na ito ay kakaiba ito dahil nagsisimula sa numerical value, no, o sunod-sunod na number kapag pumili ka ng solid at stripe ball. At ito nga ay race to 5. Makikita natin dyan nag-break itong si Matt Liam sa kanyang first rack. Ang 8 ball na ito ay sunod-sunod, no? Pag pinili mo ang solid, kailangan mong tirahin muna yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang sa ace. At dito nga tinatanggal nila yung 7 at saka yung 15 na bola. At kung pinili mo naman yung stripe ball, magsisimula ka sa 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and the 8 ball. So dito nga kakaiba itong 8 ball challenge na ito at pwedeng manalo ng $20,000 ang magcha-champion dito sa Fairwear Tour ni Efren Bata Reyes. At sundan natin mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard, itong round number 1.
Oh no, he's not even got to shoot over it. Yeah, I knew it was close. That little extra bump. Nice shot, Ryan. Look to see if that 12 ball plays past the 14. I think it does, but it's really close.
It seems he's full enough on the 12 to just drag it into the side pocket and leave an angle on the 14.
Yeah, he can do that too because he has to play the 8 ball in that same pocket, so in the corner pocket.
At dito nga sa puntos na ito, no, makikita natin na nasa 3 balls na lang itong si Matt Liam. Kaya ini-aim niya itong ball number 12 pagkatapos niya yung ball number 14. Kaya sinubukan niyang kumuha ng magandang ball position dito sa ball number 14. Napakahusay nung ginawa niyang positioning niya, no, dito sa cue ball para sa 14. At dito kailangan niyang pumosisyon ulit para naman dito sa 8. Kaya sundan na nito mga kabilyard.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
What, call that one, Kerry. That's why we got you in the booth, my friend. But I want to thank both Kerry and Steve.
Dito nga makita natin last ball na itong si Liam at ito naipasok niya yung 8 ball, naka first blood siya dito sa race to 5. 1-0 ang score natin dyan at alternate breaking format ito, kaya si Reyes naman ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 2. At napansin niyo may dalawang bola na kulang, no, kaya nga tinanggal nila dyan yung ball number 7 at ball number 15. Kaya makikita ninyo kakaiba itong 8 ball challenge na ito. So susunod naman dito mapapansin natin si Reyes nag-break at may pumasok doon sa kanyang break. Kaya sundan pa rin natin yan mga kabilyard.
That's true.
But the 9 balls,
Yeah, the first shot is the
Tougher
only real
shot.
issue with that.
yeah, he's gonna shoot one low.
I don't know. He's looking back at it again.
If
Yeah.
the 2 goes by the 12 ball,
Oh, he is going low. No, he's going that way with it.
At dito nga mukhang pinili ni Reyes yung solid ball, no? Kaya nagsimula siya sa ball number 1 at kailangan niyang kumuha ng ball position dito sa 2. Medyo nagkaroon lang ng harang dahil dumikit itong cue ball dito sa 11. So napakahirap ng position na yan, pero tingnan natin kung may pasok pa rin ni Reyes itong 2. Spot ang ginawa niya dyan, pumasok pa rin yan. At dito nga medyo may available shot na rin siya para dito sa ball number 4. So sundan natin mga kabilyard.
These are the cues being raffled off, guys. And they're right here in the corner.
A shot.
puts him in.
Yeah.
He might be okay. He might be able to play the 6 in the top left corner and come over for the 8. I think that's what he's looking at.
Does he have the angle to come across?
Yeah, he's a little straighter than I think he would have liked to be, but he's still okay. If necessary, he can even draw back to the side rail, but I think he'll just kind of punch right down to the bottom rail. Oh, yeah, okay. He went
Wow,
down.
what a stroke that was. What? Nice shot.
At doon nga sa tira na yun, no, napakahusay nung tira ni Reyes na yun. At ito, mukhang makakatabla kaagad si Reyes dito sa rack number 2. All-1 ang score natin. Si Liam naman ang nasa breaking advantage. Kaya mukhang maganda yung pinapakitang tira dito. Balikatan ang laban. At dito si Liam ang magbe-break. Malakas ang break na yan ni Liam. At dito mukhang dry break ito, no, walang pumasok. Kaya chance ni Reyes ngayon para dito sa table na ito. Mukhang open table ito mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. May available shot siya doon sa 1 at medyo halang yung position nitong cue ball para sa 9 naman. So tingnan natin kung mapasok ni Reyes yung 1 na yan. At doon nga naipasok ni Reyes, kaya solid ball na si Reyes ngayon. Positioning niya dito sa 2 medyo sumobra ng konti, pero tingnan natin yung diskarte dito ni Reyes.
He's calling the bank, huh? I guess it must squeeze by. Oh,
We played
interesting.
it.
At dito nga sa bank shot ni Reyes na yan, pinilit niyang ibang shot at ikarambola doon sa 8 para pumasok dito sa corner pocket sa kaliwa, no? At hindi nangyari yan, medyo makapal, kaya ito mukhang may possible tira naman itong si Liam doon sa 9 at medyo delikado lang doon sa 10 dahil nakaharang yung 13. Kaya tingnan natin diskarte niya dito kung makakuha ng ball position.
That thing's a piece of junk.
They're
I
both
got it on my
frozen.
phone and it's live.
Yep.
Does he come under this 3 ball? Yes, he does.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Taking advantage sana doon si Reyes at ganun pa man, na-scratch siya doon sa corner pocket sa itaas, no? At dahil dyan na-foul si Reyes, kaya ball-in-hand advantage dito kay Liam. Tingnan natin kung makaposisyon na maganda itong si Liam para sa 9 at 10 at sundan pa rin natin ito mga kabilyard.
So he's going high here. So the 14 ball is his last ball. He's going to put the 8 ball in the same pocket. Then he pockets the 14 ball.
Yeah, it's going to be a little challenging, to be honest.
Yeah.
Maganda ang pinapakitang pocketing dito ni Liam at medyo alanganin lang yung position niya dito sa next object ball, no, itong 11. At tingnan natin kung magawa niya ng paraan yan at makaposisyon siya dito sa bandang kaliwa, no, sa ibaba itong 12 naman. So subukan natin yung galing dito ni Liam.
Oh. Well, he moved the 6. Now you could potentially bank
Oh, definitely.
the 14 ball.
Yeah, right here. If he can follow up, really, there's 100 ways to get from that 13 to the 14 in the bottom left corner.
Right. And then you can just bank the 14 right where he's standing right now and play the 8 in that same pocket.
Wow, nice shot, Ryan.
Yeah, he would have liked to have come up a little bit higher on that ball.
At dito nga, last 3 balls na lang itong si Liam at maganda yung layout ng table, no, at saka yung bola. At makita natin yung 13 nandoon na sa side pocket at kumukuha siya ng position para sa 14 naman at makabuelo siya ng posisyon para sa 8. So tingnan natin yung galing dito ni Liam kung magawa niya ng paraan itong tatlong bola na ito.
And just come down 2 rails for the 14. Or he can roll it. I'm not quite sure what he's going to do. If he wanted to let it stroke out, he can go high left. Oh, he went that way. And he ran into the 3 ball.
At dito nga medyo masama yung pagkakaposisyon ng cue ball, no, para sa 14. Tumama doon sa 3 kaya ito humarang ang 5 para dito sa 14. Dahil dyan nahirapan tuloy na magpasok ng bola itong si Matt. At makikita natin mukhang itinuro yung doon sa corner pocket sa itaas, no. Mukhang susungkitin niya ito, kick shot para sa 14, pero medyo mahirap ito mga kaibigan. Tingnan pa rin natin kung kakayanin niya ito. Panoorin natin.
Okay,
Backwards,
yeah, so,
you know.
Yeah, so top. Opposite corner where he is. And he made the hit.
That could leave a mark.
Yeah. And on top of that, he pocketed one of Efren's balls.
Yeah, that's...
At dito nga mukhang sumablay sa plano itong si Matt Liam, no. Talagang makikita ninyo dito yung pagkakaiba ng isang veterano at saka isang rising pool master. At dito nga may chance na ngayon si Reyes para linisin itong natitirang 3 bola at para makuha ni Reyes yung 1 puntos. At dito nga napaka-easy, no, nung ginawa ni Reyes na ito. Sabi nga ng marami, alam na this para sa 1 puntos.
Well, just for speed control purposes. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even see that he had that type of angle. That's nice.
Aiming sa 8, pasok ang 8, 2-1 ang score natin. Lamang na si Reyes dito, raise to 5 yan. At si Reyes naman ang nasa breaking advantage. Mapansin ninyo kulang yung bola, no, pagkakaset dahil tinanggalan nga yan ng 7 at saka ng 15. At ito nga ay isang 8 ball pero nasa straight, no, parang straight pull yung sa kanilang ginagawa dito. Nakasetup ng 8 ball. So tingnan natin kung anong pipiliin ni Matt, kung solid ball ba or strike ball. At dito naka-ball in hand advantage siya dahil na-scratch dyan si Reyes. At mukhang pipiliin nga dito ni Matt itong 9 para sa strike ball.
So again, he has the problem of the 14 ball.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting now to play 12, 13, 14, 8.
Yeah, this is a really difficult. What you might want to do is I'd follow this 12 and bump the 1 out of the way.
Drew out of it.
I don't know if he has enough room on the rail to get back for shape on the 14 unless he's planning to play the bank. Not even a little. If he rolls that ball in, he can play for the bank on the 14. That might be his best bet.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
At dito nga makita natin maganda yung pinakitang packeting dito ni Liam. Fortunately, may naipasok pa rin no ng bola ni Reyes. Pero dahil nga sa rules na ito, continuity yung play habang nakakapasok ng bola ang kalaban o ang tumitira. Kaya kahit may napasok dito si Liam na bola ni Reyes, tuloy pa rin sa pagtira itong si Liam dahil good shot pa rin ang tawag dyan. So medyo kakaiba lang talaga ang rules dito sa 8 ball plus. Mapapansin natin medyo mahirap talaga ito dahil parang straight pull. At dito inispatan niya yung 14 para sa isang bank shot. At dito mukhang manipis yung pagkakabang shot dito ni Liam. Kaya hindi pumasok yan. At dito nagkaroon ng chance si Reyes sa natitirang 5 bola. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Reyes has the 1 rail kick. Actually, I like 2 rails here to come out for the 2, but he may even play safe here.
I mean, if he moves that ball and doesn't make it, it's pretty bad. But you know, because the 14's there. But I think if he hits this ball, he's making it. So he's gonna play safe, I guess. I'm not so sure about that choice.
At dito nga sa play safe ni Reyes na yan, mukhang china-challenge niya itong rising pull master na ito na si Matt Liam. Mapansin niyo talagang tinutok niya pa itong bola no para dito sa 14 pero nakaharang naman itong 1. Medyo may puhang no, may window para maipasok itong 14. So sundan natin mga kabilyard.
1 ball's in the way of the 8.
He just moved it though.
No, it isn't.
Wow.
That's great. That's awesome.
Wow, that's a good shot.
Maganda yung ginawang tira doon ni Liam no, talagang pinakarga niya sa 1 para pumasok pa rin yung 14 dahil diyan nakakuha ng magandang posisyon para dito sa 8. Last ball si Liam para sa rack number 4 at dito nga mukhang maganda yung shoot. Pasok ang 8. All 2 ang score natin ngayon. Si Liam naman ang nasa breaking advantage. So race to 5 ito at nasa all 2 na yung score at si Liam ang magbe-break.
Broke tray again.
No, he didn't. He made a ball. Yeah, he made something.
Oh yeah,
He made a strike.
Tray.
Yep.
I see 12 balls on the table.
He made the 9 ball.
Am I insane here? Am I not seeing 12 balls on the table? Is this played with 13 balls instead of 15? I thought it was played with 12 balls. I guess it's played with 13.
It's played with 13 balls.
Oh yeah, 6 and 6 and then the 8
and
ball.
the 8.
Yeah, that's right.
At dito nga maganda yung pinakitang tira dyan ni Matt Liam at meron siyang available shot dito sa kanyang ball of choice no. Medyo mahirap yung ginawang combination na yun ni Liam kaya ito na harangan pa ng 5 kaya medyo titingnan natin dito kung may chance si Liam na makapag-run out. At dito nga mukhang nag-play safe at mukhang hindi tatama sa side at dahil dyan na-foul itong si Liam at ball in hand advantage naman kay Reyes. At tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong rack number 5.
It should.
The best thing he has going here is the location of that 6 ball. I mean, as far as Ryan is concerned, all the balls lay great except for that one.
Well, the 6 ball, I mean, as long as Efren has an angle, he can just come up 1 rail and play the 6 in the same pocket, I suppose.
Play the 8 in the same pocket, you mean?
Yeah, I'm sorry, the 8 in the same pocket.
Yeah,
After you pocket
I mean,
the 6.
I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't consider that easy position.
No. I would say it'd be doable for Efren, but
Yeah.
He's gonna have to go across and back, right?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
well,
think so.
yeah.
He's gonna be able to hold that.
no. Well, they try to. That works too, though, because he can pocket the 5 in the same pocket, come down
Yeah.
for the 6.
Uh-oh.
Kiss actually. I think it's health. Well,
Yeah, actually.
At dito nga mukhang maganda ang pinapakitang tira ni Reyes. Last 2 ball na lang si Reyes dito. Pero mahirap yung posisyon nitong sais, no? At makita natin last ball siya sa 8 pero kailangan niyang kumuha ng magandang posisyon dito. Medyo malakas ang tira ni Reyes na yan. So same packet ng sais para ipasok itong 8. Long shot ito mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. So tingnan natin kung magawang paraan yan ni Reyes.
House. Want to commentate a little bit?
oh, he caught the point.
That's gonna be that's a big one because he's lucky in that
Ryan can't
Ryan
see
doesn't
the
have a
11
good shot
ball.
at the 11, but man, that's gonna be difficult to get that 8 ball back in play. I think I'm gonna go directly straight into the 11, shoot it into the rail, leave the cue ball on the end rail there.
Yeah. Yeah, because Efren's pocket is right next to that cue ball now with that 12 ball in the way. Okay. Well, Efren can play a. Can you see the full? Can you see the 8 full? I can't
No,
tell.
I don't think so. He can probably see the edge of it, but
At dito nga mukhang maswerte pa rin itong si Liam dahil tumago pa sa likuran ng 12, no? At medyo may available shot dito si Reyes at dito nga nag-play safe siya at kinuhanan niya ng magandang posisyon yung cue ball para harangan itong 11. So tingnan natin kung magawang paraan ito ni Liam.
He's gonna go for his jump cue, I believe, here.
You still got to put the 8 in the bottom left corner, right?
yeah, I mean, as long as
Efren
Ryan doesn't
does.
hit this too hard, he can come out okay.
I think this is his 8-ounce jump cue. It's a full length cue. It's hits really well actually.
See, that was the one thing he needed not to do. He might get lucky with the lead. But
Dito nga talagang makikita natin yung diferensya ng dalawang pool master na ito, no? Isang mahilig sa mga banda at mga new generation naman sa pool and billiard ay mahilig sa mga jump shot. Dito nagmintis pa rin si Reyes sa 8, no? Medyo mahirap talaga yun dahil long shot at na-open naman ang table para dito kay Liam. Unfortunately, may harang ng konti, no, dito sa 12 kaya mahirapan pa rin ipasok ni Liam itong 11. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
in front of the 8 ball, I kind of like that shot because he can also get the cue ball down on the bottom rail.
I think he's looking at that. He's looking to cut the 11 ball towards the 8.
Yeah, just soft speed, just kind of lag the 11 in front of that 8 ball. That can be huge.
What a shot that
Wow.
would
Well,
have been.
that works out though.
Now,
Wow, he just screwed up.
Dito nga mukhang sinuwerte pa rin itong si Liam, no, at humarang yung 11 pero tingnan natin yung kung anong gagawin ni Reyes dito.
Oh my God!
Look at
he
his
hit
shot.
look at this.
I'll teach you this.
Grabe yung ginawang magic shot doon ni Efren Reyes, no, talagang napabilib din yung kanyang kalaban dahil dyan at umover na si Reyes ng 1 puntos. 3-2 ang score natin dyan. Napakahusay nung ginawang magic shot na yun ni Reyes para doon sa shot na yun. At napansin nyo, double bank shot ang ginawa niya, no? At kahit nakaharang pa yung 11, nagawang paraan ni Reyes para ipasok pa rin yung 8. Si Reyes pa rin ang nasa breaking advantage dito sa rack number 6. At dyan nga sa break na yan, maganda yung pagkaka-break dahil merong dalawang bola na pumasok, no? At may magandang available shot itong si Reyes dito sa kanyang object ball. Pwede siyang pumili ng 1 para sa solid ball at 9 naman para sa stripe ball. So tingnan natin kung anong pipiliin dito ni Reyes.
It says 3-2 over here, but I
Okay.
don't know if they
I
updated
did.
it.
I don't know
I
for
thought
sure.
I thought it was 3-2 actually.
Okay.
I think it's 3. Yeah, it was because I hit it when he made the shot. Gotta have some effort and magic today.
Diyan nga mukhang pinili ni Reyes yung stripe ball at susunod dyan itong Jess para makaposisyon naman dito sa 11. Maganda yung posisyon ng stripe pero dahil sa dumikit itong 8 sa 13, medyo kailangan niyang i-break ngayon nito. So tingnan natin kung anong diskarte ni Reyes.
Question. Interesting to know.
Yeah, I was thinking he would want to move that ball, and he did. Didn't move it as much as he would have liked.
He reversed off the bottom round.
Yeah.
What you gonna do here to get on the 13?
I really don't know.
Not sure.
He could consider just banking the 12 towards that pocket and leaving it there.
Look at this.
Oh,
he
he
was
almost
gonna get
bumped
it.
it. He almost-
Diyan nga sa tira na yan, gustong i-break ni Reyes itong 8 no, para makakuha sana ng magandang shot para sa 13. Pero dahil kinulang ng pektos at hindi umubra yan, so kailangan ni Reyes ngayon patamaan itong 13 na ito at makakuha siya ng isang play safe. So napapansin natin mukhang naka-cluster yung 4 doon sa 1 no, kaya nag-play safe na dito at itinago ni Reyes itong cue ball dito sa likuran ng 8. A very clever decision ni Reyes yan. Napakahusay talaga ng ginawa ni Reyes. So tingnan natin itong 2 rail kick shot nitong si Matt Liam. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Hey, Mark. What
That's
a
a good
kick.
hit. Yeah, that's a good kick.
Yeah, well, I think
At dito nga mukhang maganda rin yung pagkakatira ni Liam doon sa 2 rail kick shot na yun, no? Pero dahil dyan na-open naman kay Reyes itong 13 at para makakuha siya ng magandang position sa 14, kailangan niyang ipaikot itong cue ball. At dito nga medyo mahina talaga, no, yung naging tira dyan ni Reyes, kaya tumago pa sa likuran ng 8 para sa 14. So kailangan ngayon na mag-play safe si Reyes at patamaan yung 14 para sa kanyang defensive shot. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
wow, that's nasty. Well, Ryan definitely has an opportunity to get out here. What's nice too is I don't think that bank goes anymore on the 14.
Uh-oh.
Medyo manipis yung tira dyan ni Liam, no? At dahil dyan sa tira na yan, nagkaroon ng possible shot si Reyes doon sa 14. Last 2 ball si Reyes dyan at mukhang maganda rin yung posisyon ng 8. At dito nga mukhang mahina ang ginawang tira dyan ni Reyes, parang makakuha pa rin ng posisyon dito sa 8. Last ball si Reyes at mukhang kailangan niyang pinahin itong 8 dito sa corner pocket sa kaliwa. At tingnan natin para makapuntos ulit si Reyes at mauna siya sa dito sa top of the hill. Hindi pumasok yung tira ni Reyes, no? At na-open naman itong 1 kay Liam. So tingnan natin kung may snatch or may steal ni Liam itong rack number 6 dito kay Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Only problem is you don't want to leave him a kick.
No.
Well, he's lucky that 6 ball got in the way there. That might create an issue, but I think Efren can see the rail enough to kick at this ball. He might even go do the 2-rail bank again. He's going to try that exact same bank. This is a big shot in.
Nag-cliffhanging yung 9, no? Ay yung 1 dito sa corner pocket. At dito si Reyes mukhang magdo-double bank shot ulit, no? Reverse double bank shot para doon sa corner pocket sa itaas. Maganda yung pakakatira pero medyo makapal at kumontra. Kaya hindi pumasok yung 8. Napakagaling nung kanyang assessment na yon pero hindi pumasok. Napakaganda sana ng tira na yon dahil sa double bank shot. At dito mukhang available na itong shot kay Liam, kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Opposite pocket. Diagonally.
I'm not sure. No, he's behind the 6.
Yep.
He might be.
Oh, it's rolling. Oh boy.
Ito nga makikita natin yung pagka-amateur sa ball control, no, nitong si Matt Liam para sa kanyang positioning sa DOS. Medyo malakas talaga yon pa dahil dyan naharangan ng 6 itong DOS at kailangan mag-play safe dito ni Liam sa pamagitan ng 2-rail kick shot. So sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Difficult kick. I think his hope is to try to
2 rails?
right here, right like
Nice.
this, and try to hit the top side of the 2 ball. If he, I mean, he could scratch that way too, but if he can
Right.
if he can hit the top side of the 2 ball, he might not lose.
If
He
it's,
wants to go relatively close to this 8 ball with a little bit of right English.
if it's the opposite side though,
Yeah,
he's
then
in trouble.
then he's in trouble. But I mean, that's what he has. You know,
Right.
he can also go 2 rails out of the corner near the 8 ball. That's another way to kick it. But I think this is the best way. You just got to hit it nice and soft. That's the shot right there.
Wow.
I think Efren can still go rail first, but nonetheless.
But
you
that's
know,
a
he
great
could-
shot.
At dito nga tinamaan pa rin ni Liam, no, yung 2 pero naharangan ng 4 yung 8. Mukhang gagawa ng caution first, no? Itong si Reyes, tingnan natin kung o-over yung kanyang desisyon na yan.
That's a fabulous shot.
Pakahusay nga nung caution first bank shot na yun, kick shot na yun ni Reyes, no? Napakahusay na yun. Kaya ito, nag-top of the hill na si Reyes 4-2. Lamang ng 2 puntos si Reyes dito kay Matt Liam. Si Matt nag-break at medyo sinama yung break na yan. Na-scratch yung 1 ball kaya ball in hand advantage dito kay Reyes. So tingnan natin kung tapusin na kaagad ni Reyes itong laban at maganda ang ball position niya dito sa rack number 7.
4, 6, 8, same pocket.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Come around the 10, 14. Nefren's on the hill.
Yep.
Just draws back about.
Dito nga nasa top of the hill na si Reyes 4-2 at last 3 ball si Reyes din dito sa last rack na yan, rack number 7 at ito nga aiming sa 4. Maganda yung pinakitang tira doon ni Reyes at gumilid dito sa side pocket, no? Pero manageable ito para kay Reyes at dito nga alam na this, sabi nga ng maraming pool player at naipasok pa niya yung 6 na yon. Basic na ito kay Reyes. Last ball si Reyes para sa match and game. Pasok yung 8, panalo si Reyes. Congratulations. See you on my next video.